Hi guys, it's me, Elaina. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're coming back, thank you for subscribing. I got a couple more subscribers the other day. It really warms my heart. I'm a small channel, so every new subscriber is like, moment. Thank you for being here. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review. This is going to be probably the shortest video of the beautybay purchase I made. It's 2 items I got from Makeup Revolution and the ordinary glycolic acid. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. So let's get right into this video. So I think I've kind of been living under a rock because I never paid attention to the beautybay. So all my videos are kind of long. I mean, how are we gonna do makeup for like 5 minutes? Unless you're doing a makeup challenge, which people have been doing, like a 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Maybe I'll do that, but I'm slow. I applied makeup slowly. So that would be a challenge for me. But anyway, to the topic of this video, I was looking for an item I could not find anywhere in US. And only on that site I found it. The site beautybay, it's affordable, it's online shopping from UK. And they ship really quickly to US. And the shipping was like $5, I think. So this is what the box looks like. This is the second time I'm filming it because I've been flashing my address by accident. I'm like, oopsie. Alright, so that says beautybay here and it's purple. Purple is right up my alley, I love it. So I only ordered 2 items. I was gonna order the Makeup Revolution Pro Skin Finish Powder. And this is because of Missa. It's called Makeup by Missa, YouTube channel. If you guys are interested, I mean, I'm a small channel. She's much bigger, but she's my go-to. I love that girl. She's so sweet. I really love watching her channel, and she always uses this. So let me read that. This is what it looks like. I already opened it because it's a B. B-A-T-S-E. To open. It's literally almost impossible. Maybe it's just new, but I've been struggling to open this thing. Anyway, it's a baked highlighting powder, and it says light up your complexion with the Revolution Pro Skin Finish, available in assortment of mesmerizing shades. These ultra-fine shimmer powders infuse the skin with radiance, sweeping over the high points of the face, or used all over for a lit from within effect. It's cruelty-free, and it says directions. Use with a fluffy powder or fan brush, and for a foil-like effect, apply with a wet brush. So for me, I was interested to apply it all over my face because that's what Missa is usually doing, and I was like, am I gonna look like a Tin Man? No. You look beautiful. Let me zoom in. I already applied it. I mean, you don't need a demo. I'm just gonna give you a little swatch. So if you can see, I mean, this is the highlight that I added on top, but everywhere else on my face, I applied that. Now let me open it up. I'll give you a little swatch. See? So with a finger application, it's more like a real highlight, but if you go with a fluffy powder brush and just apply, see that? It gave me a little glow, a little glow, but I'm not looking too crazy. I mean, not to my taste. I love glow. See, my forehead is glowing. And I think it's just right. It's just the right amount of shimmer. And I remember Missa said, oh, let me put some on my chest. I remember Missa said, you won't regret this, trust me, get it. And I'm like, girl, thank you. It's amazing. I just love it. It looks so gorgeous. I can literally apply it everywhere and it's not gonna make you look crazy at all. What you see on my cheeks is extra. I applied the Focal Lure highlight, and this is in the color Blossom, and that one is like a pure highlight, so it's just for the high points. But this, oh my god, thank you, Mister. I love this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Revolution Pro Skin Finish in the color Opalecent, and again, that's the color that she said that's the best. So I trusted her. I got this one. I might get more in the future. So the second item that I didn't plan to get, but I wanted to try, and because I heard great things about Ordinary as a brand, I got this Glycolic Acid. That's what it looks like. I mean, it's just a Glycolic Acid. I have not tried it yet because I just received this. I just couldn't wait. I couldn't wait to try this, the Makeup Revolution thing. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a tip. And I think I'm going to try it tonight because it says use overnight, I think. It says Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. So you're supposed to apply it with a cotton pad. And probably then use a moisturizer. So I'll use this later, and maybe I'll do an update in a couple of weeks, see what it does for my skin. But if you guys are interested in a beautiful skin finish that is not a setting powder, it's something to apply over a makeup, like at the end. And then at the end, after you apply it, I'm gonna go with another glow. Ooh, it's my hair. What? Girl, I'm leaving my hair everywhere like a cat. So this is self-hydrating coconut mist. The droplet's a little thick, but I like it. So because everything is powder, it's glowing, but it's powder. So now I'm gonna set it with the mist, and now I'm gonna be real hydrated. I absolutely love this. So again, if you guys enjoy my shortest video up to date, then subscribe, make sure to ring notification bell down, and comment what you think. Do you own this product? In US, I don't think it's common, the Makeup Revolution Pro skin finish. And do you guys know about this Glycolic Acid? Have you tried it? So leave me comments below, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!